Hello mga ga! Are you planning to transfer here in University of Mindanao? Don't worry, I got you and I'll walk you through enrollment process step by step so you won't feel lost. I am Mariah, your Mutianing UM 2025-2026, and welcome to the University of Mindanao. Step 1. Submit your TOR. Go to the register office and submit a copy of your transcript of records for evaluation. Step 2. Guidance interview. Proceed to the Guidance Services and Testing Center or GSTC. You'll have an interview there, so make sure to secure your GSTC slip up there. Don't be nervous, it's just part of the process to guide you better in your academic journey. Step 3. Fill out the SGIS form. You need to fill out the Student General Information Sheet online through UM Student Portal. Once submitted, you'll receive a reference number. And a very important reminder, you need to use that reference number when paying your down payment. Step 4. Pay the down payment. You could pay your down payment at UM Cashier for real-time validation, or you could also pay through authorized payment centers or banks. Just take note that validation may take around 2 to 3 days.
Step 5. Submit your requirements at admission office. Kindly bring the following: original copy of transfer credential or honorable dismissal, original good moral certificate, photocopy of PSA birth certificate, and medical certificate from UM Health Services for medical courses. So make sure complete ka para smooth ang process.
Step 6. ID processing. After submitting everything, proceed to ID processing area and get ready for your new UM ID dahil official part na ng community. And once you receive that, congratulations! You are officially enrolled. I know transferring skills can feel scary, but remember, every new beginning is a brave decision. So, what are you waiting for? Choose UM, choose Mindanao. See you around, mga ga!